one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic.
I see a heart shaped out of barbed wire and inside a fragile web. Sometimes we carry pain for too long. We live with old wounds, old entanglements, with the quiet sorrow that no one really sees. And the Lord says, I'm healing the wounds of your heart. I'm breaking those old entanglements and lifting from you the lies that have bound. For I am the one who sets you free. Give to me the pain, give to me the confusion and the fear, give to me the things which have been holding you down. For I am the Lord who brings liberty to you. I am the Lord who brings freedom to you. I'm bringing my healing love to the places that have been tender, the places that have been hurting. I'm restoring your heart and I'm renewing you in this season. Trust in me that I am the Lord who sets you free. I am the Lord who is dealing with the lies of the enemy, dealing with the wounds of the past. I will bring to you freedom. I will bring to you a new tenderness and love. For I am the one who is filling you with my love, the one who is making all things new, making all things beautiful again.
To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.